Come summer or winter, but if you are a bride, then there's one brand name which should always be in your list, and I'm sure it is, because that is the Kali Khata. And this time, the brand has come up with something very new. Why should brides have all the fun? For everyday wear, for bridesmaids, for cocktail dinners or date evenings, Kali Khata has brought the new Kali Khata Pret line, and we are here at the opening of the new store. Come, let's see what we have inside.
If you want to be spoilt for choices, then this is your one-stop luxury wear designer Pret destination. Pick an outfit from their day wear, evening, cocktail or bridesmaid sections for any occasion that needs you to be dressed up. Interestingly, this 4-floor store is a mannequin store where you can visualize how the silhouette looks on the body rather than holding it in your hands from the racks. The designs incorporate everything modern and trending, from ruffled sleeves to collared shirts, from jumpsuits to pleated skirts, from sequins to sheer nets, from cape sleeves to one-shoulder fall. You want it, you get it. And in soothing colors like whites, blacks, pastels, maroons, blues, greens and more.
So over the years, while running Kali Khata Bridal Couture, what we realized is that bridal outfits are generally planned months ago. But when it comes to these smaller occasions, be it your cocktail wear or evening celebrations or maybe your brunch parties, you don't have so much of time. People were really struggling to find good clothes readily available. So that was the gap we identified, and we thought of solving this problem. And then this idea came of Kali Khata Pret. And now you can enter the store, you can find beautiful clothes, Indo-Western clothes readily available for all your occasions. So we have taken all light fabrics, all lightweight fabrics like chanderi, silks, all the pure fabrics, so that it's very skin friendly and very season friendly. So this is my favorite section where we have designed for all the cocktail wear, and be it your friends' cocktail party or evening wear or evening celebrations, please come and see this collection and experience the luxury what we are offering to you guys.
Actor Nusrat Jahan, who has been associated with the brand for a long time, came as the chief guest for the opening.
I'm wearing this beautiful outfit which is designed by Kali Khata Pret, and I'm totally digging into the color. It's so fashionable. And the fact that they've balanced the work beautifully. The corset is embellished, and the skirt is sort of simple but very well tailored. So I'm enjoying the look.
So I'm basically wearing a cord set which goes everywhere. Like you can wear for a brunch event, or you can wear for a formal dinner. So it is multi-purpose. So that is how it has been designed. So I'll tell you, this outfit has been specifically kept in mind to be designed for a cocktail evening or for like a Sangeet party, destination weddings. So each and every piece here has been designed taking into consideration the multiple events which have been coming up right now, how modern fashion has been evolving. So like you have to go for a brunch party, or for say a cocktail evening, or say for a day sundowner. So all of this has been taken into account and designed by me. I feel the most classic color which goes in every design. So to play safe, we have done black and white.
So I simply love the collection. It's a one-stop solution, be it mehndi, be it cocktail, be it bachelorette. And इतना variety है you can actually choose from. मतलब बहुत सारा variety है. Not only black, white, you have golds, you have yellows, you have reds. So one-stop solution for all your needs.
So come to 5A Aston Road, Jodhu Babur Bazaar for all your occasion wear needs, and be prepared to make heads turn.